Hello my friends, hello my subscribers, hello my guests. Today we are learning how to crochet the stitch for this summer top. Summer poncho, tunic. I found this picture on Pinterest. Beautiful top. And this comes with this little pattern. As we can see on a pattern, it has shells with lots of double crochets and V-stitch, and I have started playing with it because I rather like this project. I start using Jobs Paris. It is a worsted weight yarn, weight 4, and I've been using hook number 6 millimeters. Beautiful pattern. Instead of double crochets, I wanted to make it like the picture, very floaty, very loose and beautiful for summer. And for me, this works very fast, of course, because it's bulky yarn. It's not bulky, but with hook 6 millimeters it works, you know what I mean, a little bit heavier what I thought for would be perfect for summer project. Maybe it's a beach cover. For blanket, I would use this for blanket. It is perfect. But if I want to make it as my summer project, I would use light yarn. This is also Drops number 9 finer yarn. And I want to change this for slightly finer look. About the pattern itself, you can play with double crochet, extended double crochet, maybe play with trebles. It is will depend on the kind of yarn you are using, kind of hook size you are using, so play with it. Every pattern needs a little bit adjustment. This is what I'm trying to tell you here. Hope you understand. And now we will get on with this project. I will be using finer yarn. So if you count the amount of stitches on foundation row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, and if we can't see this on the pattern, it's very poorly written instructions, I will say, so we will need to make one more chain for single crochet, so it will be 8 plus 2. And for little sample, I've got 26 stitches. Skip one chain and single crochet in the next stitch. And then I decided to work with extended double crochet. Skip 3 stitches. 8 double crochets in the fourth stitch. And I will show you how to work extended double crochet. Yarn over into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and this is extended double crochet. first shell, 8 stitches, and now I want to skip 3 more stitches, single crochet, skip 3, 8 double crochets, skip 3 stitches, single crochet, skip 3 stitches, 8 double crochets, and this is the pattern for row 1. Finish this row with single crochet, and for row 2 chain 5 as my first extended double crochet, chain 3. Now let's let's make chain 3 and single crochet in between, in the middle, yeah, so you count 4, make single crochet, then I want to make chain 2 and I want to make extended double crochet in the single crochet, chain 2, extended double crochet in the same place, chain 2 and single crochet in the middle of this shell, chain 2, extended double crochet in the single crochet, chain 2, extended double crochet in the same spot, chain 2, single crochet between, in the middle of the shell, chain 3 and extended double crochet in the single crochet. Find your single crochet at the beginning of this row. And this is my row 2. I have played with the amount of stitches for this stitch, even though here it is, you can see double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and over here you can't really see clearly what's going on this pattern, so I played a little bit and I think this works the best. As you know, every pattern you play and you find the best fit for your yarn. Okay, so we are going repeating this first row, chain 1, single crochet in double crochet, and then working shell, 8 double crochet in on top of single crochet, single crochet in chain 2 space between extended double crochets, and I will repeat 8 extended double crochet in single crochet and go on. So this beautiful pattern goes rather fast, even though I've got finer yarn, but you want the project for summer look floaty and airy. So you tell me your thoughts about this project, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Don't forget to press notification bell. Check my other projects, I've got a few patterns going on. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 single crochet on top of chain 2 stitch, and we'll repeat. And you want to finish this row with single crochet in a 5th chain stitch. And you are done. Then we will just repeat this. I will be making chain 5 is my extended double crochet plus chain 3, so it makes 8 single crochet in the middle of the shell, chain 2, extended double crochet in single crochet, chain 2 and repeat. Happy crocheting! I hope you enjoyed this pattern, the work on this stitch. My final thoughts about this pattern: how to calculate amount of the stitches for this pattern. As you can see, we start from the bottom and going up, and you can see that the size, it is very oversized. You can see the shoulder, right? So if you measure yourself from one shoulder to another shoulder, and this will be foundation chain, the size for your panel. Back panel, front panel, they've got the same width, and then you crochet few rows till your shoulder. You can vary the amount of rows. Obviously you can make it very short, you can make it just a top or like a tunic dress, make it longer. Beautiful stitch on the bottom, but it looks to me just 2 double crochets, chain 2 double crochets, and make it in the triangles, or any other finish will work. For the neckline, you will omit few central stitches, maybe 3 shells, as we can see on this side, and then you make slight increase, or you make just square, right? So you omit 3 or 4 shells depending the width of your top. Make it equal amount on shoulders, and the rest will go for your neck opening. So if you make it square, you omit these stitches in the center, and then you proceed separately for the right side and then for the left, or vice versa. If you need more help, please write in the comments. I'm trying my best to answer. And happy crocheting!